like to introduce to you the smallest two tanks of our Sebco range. So we've got the 1000 litre and the 1500 litre diesel tanks. These tanks are bunded. This is the bund, and we've got a tank inside. Has multiple benefits. It's an environmental benefit, of course, and then it helps against fuel theft. Inside here we have the 230 volt or 12 volt pump. We've got the Fuelchief water captive filtration system, 4 metres of good quality hose, the digital flow meter so you can mark what you're taking each time, and the automatic nozzle that shuts off when your tank is full. These are nice and tidy units. When it's not in use, you can lock it away. Lockable top there, protecting your fuel. One of your easiest to steal assets on your farm. Protect it with a Sebco tank.